right, brother. Are we ready yet? Let's go.
One thing. Hold on. One thing. Gotta get my tool. Everything else. Packouts are in there. Clothes are in there. Just got my tools. Yep. We're good to go.
Wait. What is that silly little bag?
Tools. I mean, zip ties and just, you don't need much, right?
Remember that one time, and not at band camp, but on the trail, you know, all the issues we had?
You got a better idea?
Give me a couple seconds. Hold on. I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, Packout?
Right here's what we need.
I've seen this online. This is the toolkit from EQ, right?
Yeah. Check this out, man. They absolutely thought their way through this. This is going to be awesome.
I know some of these things. Let's check it out.
Check it out.
All right, so all of this fits in this Packout. We'll show you how it's packed in a minute, but look at all this. All right, let's start off with this, the axle puller. I mean, this thing is incredible. Hopefully you never need it. And the thing is if you pack it, you probably won't need it. But if you do, pulling axles is no joke. This is hefty. This is legit. So you get that. Zip ties with the little screw holes. That's another nice little thing. And they're hefty. I'm gonna throw extras in there, but this is an excellent start. Love it. Zip ties are my friend. Oh, you got some recovery gear, which is super cool. And a tow strap, and even a little snatch block deal here. I like this. So now you can just whip it on through there instead of having to fish it. And this will probably go into most of the hitch mounts or whatever. So these will get you out of a bind. This rod rescue. This tool, you can get this all by itself. If you break a tie rod for whatever reason, and believe me, it happens, this will get you back on the trail. You just stick the broke ends on each side, you tighten it down, and you are good to go. This is a critical item to have just in case. Again, if you have it, chances are it's not gonna break. All right, moving over, you got a jump pack. Looks like you could put in your DeWalt batteries, or I think it does Milwaukee too. So that's kind of cool. These actually work. I've seen it. People put alligator clips, so this is a handy little bugger, just in case. A headlamp. I mean, hopefully you're never broke down in the dark, but if you are, you're good to go. Torque bit sets. I mean, I use these all the time. These are really good to have, and they're nice quality. These aren't cheapies, and they have some humongous ones here. T70, dang. I've never had anything that large, but all right. So you got actually a very nice 3/8 ratchet. The knife's Craftsman screwdrivers, the black tips, those are sweet. And then these are actually very cool, a stubby set. Because you know you're always in those tight, hard to reach places. They give you a full set, 19 all the way down to 8, which is pretty sweet. And it rolls up, super cool. These guys, I want to skip to these because these are super cool. Just a regular socket kit, right? Not really. So a lot of times you get a bolt that's too long and you don't need deep well sockets because they take up a lot of space. You can slide this right over the bolt and then use one of these wrenches and take it off there. Very awesome idea. They thought of everything. And then of course, you know, nobody wants to mess around with an Allen wrench. And you've got reducers in here too. So you've got 1/2 inch to 3/8. Usually it's the other way around. So that's really nice to have. 3/8 to quarter, quarter to 3/8. Going the other way there. Very nice. It's a complete set. All the sizes are here. We got a little first aid kit because everybody bangs their knuckles. Something to get you by. You know, not much, but hey, what do you need? And then over here, rubber gloves because sometimes it can get pretty nasty. Some electrical tape. It's like duct tape. And extra fuses. So lots of nice little goodies in this bag here. And then the last piece you have is right up here. You have a compressor. And I remember seeing these too. A whole tire patch kit. So you get all the stuff in there in case you get a little blowout situation. So everything you need all in a little bag. Man, all right, my tool bag sucks. All right, I'm sorry. I stole your thunder, but I've been eyeballing this. So are you giving this to me?
Not a chance. But you can use it. It's gonna be in my buggy.
I hope I don't have to. Well, let's go. Let's pack it up.
Yeah.
All right, here she is. There's all the stuff back in there. Back in there. She's all buttoned up. Bam.
Hey, huge shout out to EQ Outdoors. If you want one, go check out their website, EQ Outdoors. There will be a link in the bottom. Make sure that you click on that. And they have all of these parts individually, or you just buy the entire thing, as well as a bunch of extra stuff. So make sure you go and check them out.